Hi, I'm Justin, one of the co-founders of GreenerGuide. Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through what GreenerGuide is exactly and how to use the GreenerGuide tool. GreenerGuide is a web-based platform that analyzes your unique circumstances to provide you with your best suited solution. Our state-of-the-art unique system has been made in collaboration with industry leaders from around the world to provide you with a fast and accurate appraisal to move forwards with. Our goal is to help you see and understand the available options and arm you with the tools you need to make an educated decision. Depending on where you're accessing GreenerGuide from, there are a number of ways to open it. The tool should open automatically in the bottom right corner of your screen. If this doesn't happen, you can always click the Custom Recommendations button at the top of the GreenerGuide website. Here, you will be greeted with a short introduction explaining briefly what the tool does. To continue, simply click OK. Once here, you'll be able to select which energy source appeals most to you. If you're unsure, you can always click the Open to Suggestions button. You can also select more than one source if you would like to combine different systems. Over the next few minutes, select the options which most closely align to your situation. In my case, I'm looking to combat climate change. I'm living in a detached house, so I'm going to pick that. This question helps rule out some of the options which would require more space. In order to make the appraisal more precise, we need an accurate size of your property. This helps us calculate the kilowatt-hour load required for your home. The best way to get this figure is to use our inbuilt calculator by drawing the size of your property on a map. To do this, you can click on the Draw on Map button. Once here, type in your postcode to be taken to your approximate area. Once you've found your house, click on each corner of the building. You can add as many corners as you like, but it helps to start with one side and work your way around clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you make a mistake, you can always click the Delete Point button at the top of the screen. You can always adjust the points once they've been set by dragging and dropping them. Once you've outlined your house and are happy, hit the Finish button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Don't forget to mention how many floors you have in your building so that we can adjust accordingly. Continue by answering the questions which are most relevant to you. In this case, I already have a radiator system providing me heating. If you're unsure about certain questions, you can always click the Don't Know button. However, in order to provide you with the most accurate picture, we recommend answering all of the questions to the best of your ability. Unfortunately, this house has oil, as it's an old house that was built around 1920. Many renewable energy systems require specific electricity supplies to operate. Most households in the UK have a single-phase supply rated at 100 amps. If you're unsure, don't worry, as this can always be found out easily during a site survey which all installers will perform. This house has a small garden, which is relevant as it will limit the different options available. Again, the best way to know for sure is to use the Draw on Map option. The system will remember where your last entry was, and then it's a simple case of clicking on each corner of your garden. Let us know about your garden, as this will determine whether or not certain heavy-duty equipment can be used for the installation. In some cases, a renewable energy package is a requirement for planning permission. If so, it's important that you let us know, as this will ensure that we can maximize the usefulness of your system. In most cases, however, this is not the case, and many people won't have any more normal planning restrictions. If there are, please do let us know. Finally, providing us with a rough figure of how much money you're looking to spend helps the system find the most viable solution from a pricing perspective. Don't worry though, we won't rule anything out, and we will explain the benefits and drawbacks in the document we provide at the end. Once you've filled out the questions, provide us with an email address and tick the Terms and Conditions button. Now you'll receive a very short summary of your situation. For a more detailed report, go to your inbox and check out our recommendations in a short email. This email is again a short version of the full report. If you need a full report with pricing to share with your installer or any other interested parties, click here for the full report. Here, you'll be prompted to provide us with some more details. Once you've filled it in, click the button at the right-hand side to download the full report as a PDF. In the full report, you'll be provided with useful information about all of the different available options, pricing, and contacts to help you plan your next steps in becoming more sustainable. Please note that you are able to make multiple attempts for different properties, and you can view them all in the same place. Thanks very much for watching.